Hey you guys, and welcome back. Today I wanted to film a fall makeup tutorial for glasses. These are my newest pair from Firmoo Optical, which is an online glasses retailer, and I thought I would film a video on them. So let's just go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start off by priming my face with the Rimmel 2-in-1 setting spray. It's from their Insta line. I actually really like it as a primer. And then I'm going to go in and fill in my eyebrows with the e.l.f. eyebrow kit in the shade Dark. And for concealer, I'm going to be using another Rimmel Insta product, and this is their Conceal and Contour Kit. And I'm just mixing two of the shades and using my finger to apply this concealer all over my problem areas. I really like this new pair of glasses that I got from Firmoo. I'll leave all the information about Firmoo down below. This video isn't sponsored, but they did send me the pair of glasses for free, and I do have about 5 pairs from them, and so far I have had nothing but good experiences, and I just really like the style that I'm currently wearing in this video. For under eye concealer, I'm using my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer in the shade Light, and I'm just going to apply it under my eyes, around my mouth, and on my chin, kind of like in the center of my face to highlight my complexion. And I'm blending everything in with the Sephora Pro Airbrush. I haven't been wearing foundation lately, that's why I'm kind of going heavier with the concealer. To set my face, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photofocus pressed powder in the shade Warm Beige, and then to set my under eye area, I'm using the Milani Prep Set and Glow translucent setting powder. I really like this setting powder. It just looks beautiful on the skin, and it really gives your face a beautiful inner glow to it. For bronzer, I'm using the Physicians Formula Bronze Booster Bronzer in the shade for medium to dark, and I'm using this large e.l.f. stipple brush to apply this. My skin was looking a little bit pale from the concealers, so I'm going pretty heavy-handed with this bronzer. I'm also using a new editing software to edit this video, so I apologize if it's super messy and there's errors and stuff like that. For blush, I'm using the NYX powder blush in the shade Terracotta with that same brush, and I'm pretty much applying it everywhere to give myself a nice glow. And then I'm going to set my face with the Wet n Wild Photofocus setting spray. For my eye makeup today, I'm using the Covergirl Sunset Eyeshadow palette. It's one of their newer palettes, I guess, and I'm going to take that warm brownish shade, and with this fluffy brush, I'm just going to apply it all over my lid and into my crease. I am going to go into the deeper brown shade. It's still a warmer tone, but I'm going to apply that with the same brush, just more concentrated on my lower lid. And then I'm going to take the lightest matte shade and use this to kind of blend around the edges of the shadow. Going back into that first terracotta shade we used, I'm going to apply this to my lower lash line. And then I'm taking that same dark brown we used second, and I'm going to do the exact same thing pretty much and apply it to my lower lash line. For my inner corner, I'm taking this beautiful gold metallic shade, and I'm going to use my forefinger to apply that in my inner corner. And then I'm going to do a winged liner, which I am terrible at. It's something that I just never practice and cannot do to save my life. So this is the Physicians Formula Eye Booster, I think it's what it's called. It's just their eyeliner, and I'm going to do a terrible wing and then curl my lashes before applying my Essence mascara. I can never remember the name of this mascara, but I'll put it in the description bar below. For highlighter, I'm using my Physicians Formula Mineral Glow Pearls in the shade Translucent, and this pretty e.l.f. fluffy highlighting brush. Again, I'm going to just apply that all to the high points of my face. And then for lips today, I'm using the NYX Lipliner in the shade Ever. I'm going to fill in my entire lips with this before applying this clear e.l.f. gloss on top. And that completes this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are interested in Firmoo glasses, they do prescription glasses, and they do have a lot of styles, and they're really, really affordable. So I'll leave all that information in the description bar below. I guess I will see you guys in my next video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you would like to see more videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!